Hi, it's Patrick and welcome to Greenroom136. Now today I've got a quick tip I want to share with you. This is a courtesy from superfan Nazro. He shared with us exactly how you could reduce down the tail of the bag without having to snip off the excess safety belt. Okay, so first thing you do to remove off this excess length of strap is to bring this length down all the way to the desired length. Now, I'm going to unstring this belt right here from this tri-glide so that we can do this all the way from the beginning. So you know exactly how it is to string your strap bag, just in case you need to. Right, so first thing you do, tri-glide, lead, go from the bottom, go in from the top. Make sure you have, say you're comfortable with this length, right, or this length, give it a little bit of slack so that it will not look too tight. Tuck in right inside here so that you lead all the way up to the back and you pull all the way right about there. See, now you still have a little bit of slack right here at the cam buckle, and the rest of the so-called tail is all the way to the end of the strap. So what you're going to do with this end, now pop your cam buckle, lead the strap all the way back, and there you have it. Like that. If you feel that this is the excess you don't need anymore, you can just snip it off. Use a lighter to melt down the edges. Otherwise, if let's say for example you're using a larger bag, a Heretic or Origin, what you can do is to lead this back into your shoulder pad. Like so. So now your straps are nice and neat. So here's today's tip. Thanks for watching.